Where did Evan and Lydia go? Where did Evan and Lydia go? There they are. Really? Where did Evan and Lydia go? There he is. There's Evan. Where did Evan go? There he is. Where? Hi, Lydia. Where did Lydia go?
Where did Lydia go?
Where did Lydia go? Where did she go? Where did Evan go? There's Lydia. There's Evan. There's Evan. Hi. You being goofy.
I go.
Where did Evan go? There he is. You guys are funny. What are you doing, Lydia?
I'm in floor.
Why are you guys laying on the floor?
I'm in floor.
Why are you laying on the floor? Just for fun? You're laying on the floor just for fun? Ha ha.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm in floor.
Yeah, that's silly. Hi.
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 Are you guys bunnies? Are you being bunny rabbits? Hop hop. Whoa, careful. Nice touches.
No throwing.
No throwing, that's right. You learned that yesterday, didn't you? Yeah, after a couple times out, you learned no throwing.
I'm
You want to run?
Yeah.
Yeah? Lydia, do you want to race? You want to race your brother? Ready? Wait, go to the fridge. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! False starts.
Go.
Where did brother go? Where did Evan go? You find him?
Go.
Where did Evan go?
I like water.
There he is.
I like to go.
What?
I like.
Oh, your
I
blanket.
like water. I like water. I go.
Where did Evan go? There he is. Where did Evan go? Whoa. Careful. Owie. Okay.